Hey guys, my name is Trevor. Welcome to TJ Studios, and today I'm going to be reviewing this DeWALT brushless impact driver. This is a 20 volt. It runs on their standard 20 volt platform. You can use the different batteries. This is just the smallest battery you can get, so it's the cheapest option. You can buy this tool individually, or you can also get it in a kit like this one. This kit has a impact driver, drill, charger, and 2 of the smaller batteries, and it also comes with this bag. So that's a pretty good deal, especially if you can get it on sale. But the tool by itself is what we're going to be talking about in this video. So I'm going to talk about the ergonomics. It's a pretty good tool. It feels good in your hands. The battery is a little loose. I noticed that while using that compared to some of the other tools I've used. It has one light on this one, so I'll turn that on for you. It has one light. It's not very strong. I know the XR series has the 3 lights. It's pretty bright. It's kind of a big difference. But this does have the quick change for the bits, which is very convenient, especially when you're switching around a lot. It has a couple rubber pads on the side, so if you're setting your tool down on a table, you're not getting it scratched up, which is pretty nice as well. And I do believe that you can get a belt clip and attach it right here on the side, so those are always handy, especially in the workplace. For this, we have 2 sets of bits. This one is pretty standard, as well as this one. I'm not entirely sure why you would want one over the other. They're pretty much the same, so I will display the price and the links for all this stuff in the description below. But overall, the tool has pretty good power, especially for the price. It's not as good as the XR model, but it is pretty good. It sounds all right. Sturdy build. So I would recommend this, especially if you're on a budget, but if you're, doing a bigger project, you need a more industrial tool, I would recommend the XR series. It's a little bit better, a little bit more power, but overall this tool, I would say, is pretty good. So that's all we'll be talking about in this video today. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope to see you next time.